Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install plugins on Stream Deck. To do it, you should go to the settings in the top of the Stream Deck app and go to plugins. Now you can see that I have the volume controller plugin by default, but I can click on plus and it'll open the marketplace.elgato.com, and I can find different plugins like for OBS Studio, so that will help me with some OBS things, but I can also add like YouTube for streaming stuff, or maybe Windows tools. Let's see what do we get in that. So says that we get like the volume for apps and devices, toggle Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Explorer Scratchpad to quickly cycle between common folders, multi-clip turns every key to an individual clipboard. I think that's great. Let's click on Get. I actually need to sign in, so I'm not gonna, but once you do it, it should appear in the preferences, then in the Stream Deck app. I think that you'll just get the plugin right here. And as for the multi-clip, this will actually let me have like let's say 4 keys, and each of them will have an individual clipboard, so each of them can copy separately. And I think that's pretty useful. I hope that video helped you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.